another triple system, but instead this one has a double softener. We're doing a video a little bit early because it's been raining on us all day and we don't know if later on we're able to make another video, so we're doing it now. We've got the Well Breaker 10x54, dual 10x54 water softener with a 9x48 post-polished carbon tank. And in the next 30 minutes, they should have cleaner, healthier water. If you need any cleaner, healthier water, Andrew, PSL Water Guy.